Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Bank of India is an Indian public sector bank headquartered in Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai. Founded in 1906, it has been government owned since nationalization in 1969. Bank of India is a founding member of SWIFT, which facilitates provision of cost-effective financial processing and communication services. Celebrating 119 years of innovative banking on 7 September 2024. This journey started in 1906 and is still a part of many people's lives. Bank of India is celebrating its foundation day on 7 September 2024. So join us in celebrating 119 years of timeless foundation to a transformative future. As on 30th June 2024, Bank of India's total business stands at rupees 13 crore 13 lakh 23,515 crores and has 5,177 branches and 8,234 ATMs and CRM around the world, including 22 overseas branches. History. Bank of India was founded on 7 September 1906 by a group of eminent businessmen from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The bank was under private ownership and control till 19 July 1969, when it was nationalized along with 13 other banks. Beginning with one office in Mumbai with 50 employees, the bank has made a rapid growth over the years and blossomed into a mighty institution with a strong national presence and sizable international operations. In business volume, the bank occupies a premier position among the nationalized banks. The bank has over 5,177 branches in India, spread over all states and union territories, including specialized branches. These branches are controlled through 69 zonal offices and 13 FGMO offices. There are 47 branches and offices abroad, which includes 22 owned branches, including IBU, Gift City at Gandhinagar, Gujarat, one representative office and 4 subsidiaries, 23 branches, and one joint venture. Our presence. The bank came out with its maiden public issue in 1997 and follow-on qualified institutions placement in February 2008. While firmly adhering to a policy of prudence and caution, the bank has been in the forefront of introducing various innovative services and systems. Business has been conducted with a successful blend of traditional values and ethics and the most modern infrastructure. The bank has been the first among the nationalized banks to establish a fully computerized branch and ATM facility at the Mahalakshmi branch at Mumbai way back in 1989. The bank is also a founder member of SWIFT in India. It pioneered the introduction of the health code system in 1982 for evaluating rating its credit portfolio. Presently, bank has overseas presence in 15 foreign countries spread over 5 continents with 47 branches and offices, including 4 subsidiaries, 1 representative office, and 1 joint venture at key banking and financial centers is Tokyo, Singapore, Hong Kong, London, Paris, New York, DIFC Dubai, and International Banking Unit IBU at Gift City, Gandhinagar. The first Bank of India was started as early as 1828 by one Ramkishan Dutt in Calcutta. The second was incorporated in London in 1836 as an Anglo-Indian bank, a bank which would have funds in England for Indian trade. No details are available about the fate of these banks or their founders. The third was incorporated in Mumbai in 1864 but was wound up in 1865. Finally, our bank, incorporated on 7 September 1906, stood the test of time. At the time of establishment, our bank's aim was to do safe business which would give a safe return and to establish the reputation and credit of the bank on a firm and sound footing. Our bank commenced operation on 1st November 1906 from the registered office at Oriental Building, Esplanade Road, Fort. First board of directors consisted of Sir Sasun David, Sir Kawasji Jahangir, Sir Frederick Legge Croft, Mr. Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, Mr. Gordhan Das Khatau, Mr. Lalubhai Samoldas, Mr. Ketesi Khaisi, Mr. Ramnarayan Hurnundrai, Mr. Jenar Ryan Hindu Moon Dani, and Mr. Nuriuddin Ibrahim Nurdin. One of the earliest appointments for the bank was Mr. H. P. Stringfellow as manager, called agent in those days. In those days, the accounting was from 1st January to 31st December, and in the first 2 months of its operations, our bank made profit of rupees 25,177 with a deposit base of rupees 18.08 lakhs and advances of rupees 59 lakhs. Equity capital of the bank was rupees 99 lakh 57,000 against an authorized or issued capital of rupees 1 crore. Remaining rupees 43,000 was paid up by the next year. After the first full year of operations, 31st December 1907, bank's deposits were at rupees 119 lakhs and advances were at rupees 132 lakhs. Bank made a profit of rupees 3.28 lakhs. In those days, interest was being paid on current deposits at the rate of 2.5% and on FDRs at the rate of 4.5% per annum. Bank rate was 6 to 6.5%. Interest on current deposits was gradually reduced to 0.25% and completely dropped in 1950 or 1951 due gradual shift of funds to time deposits portfolio. It is in the year 1913 that for the first time banks advances started become bad (NPAs). An amount of rupees 1.15 lakhs was declared as bad and the bank made a provision of rupees 1.50 lakhs for meeting such bad debts. During the years 1913 to 1918, no fewer than 94 banks failed, but our bank continued to grow with the deposits standing at rupees 4.82 crores as at 31st December 1918. Our bank went in for increasing its capital to rupees 2 crores in 1919 and opened its first branch at Ahmedabad in 1920. Our first endeavor to offer value-added services was in establishing the executor and trustee department in late 1920s. Our bank opened its first overseas branch at Mombasa, Kenya in 1921. Started managing the clearing house of the Bombay Stock Exchange in 1921. Our first own head office building, now housing Mumbai main branch, was opened on 24th October 1950. Our London branch, opened on 1st July 1946, became the first such branch to be opened in UK by any Indian bank in the post-war era. The clerical and subordinate staff formed the Bank of India Staff Union in 1946. Partition took its toll and we had closed down branches at Hyderabad, Sindh and Karachi due to the departure of trained staff to India. The staff worked till midnight until the Bombay Shops and Establishment Act came into being in 1948. After that, the normal working day ended at 7 p.m. The Sen Award of 1950 laid down that the working hours of award staff should not exceed 7 hours and overtime has to be paid for work in excess of those hours. The first Indian bank to step overseas for opening London branch in 1946. First Indian bank in Japan, Tokyo, 1950. First foreign bank in continental Europe, Paris, 1974. First manual of instruction was written by Mr. R.P. Boddho, ex-general manager, which were copied by many other banks. Today, some milestones. 1957, Mr. T.R. Lalwani became the first Indian general manager of the bank. 1959, deposits crossed rupees 100 crores. 1962, opened 100th branch at CP Tank, Mumbai. 1962, sets up a staff training college jointly with Bank of Baroda. 1962, star emblem adopted. 1964, in-house magazine The Bank of India Journal started, now Tarangan. 1965, the Bank of India Officers Association formed. 1965, launches its first mobile branch. 1969, nationalization along with other 13 banks with branch network in India 207 and foreign 12. 1972, sells its Uganda operations to Bank of Baroda. 1975, deposits cross rupees 1000 crores. 1976, opens 1000th branch at Opera House, Mumbai. 1976, first RRB set up. 1976, Taylor system introduced. 1976, ELPMS installed in Mumbai. 1978, deposits cross rupees 2000 crores. 1987, takes over three UK branches of the Central Bank of India. 1987, deposits cross rupees 10,000 crores. 1988, becomes the first nationalized bank to have a fully computerized branch at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. 1988, installs first ATM at Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. 1988, introduces a credit card, India card. 1988, opens 2000 branch at IGIDR, Mumbai. 1990, acquires Parur Central Bank. 1992, acquires Bank of Karad Limited. 1994, deposits cross rupees 20,000 crore. 1997, makes IPO. 1997, opens 2500 branch at Puduppa, Andhra Pradesh. 1997, bullion banking started in select branches. 1997, deposits cross rupees 30,000 crore. 1998, sets up an integrated treasury. 1999, deposits cross rupees 40,000 crore. 2000, brought select branches under MBB network, distributed database. 2001, launches online ATM cards. 2001, deposits cross rupees 50,000 crore. 2003, moves into its own headquarters at Bandra Kurla complex. 2003, launches debit cum ATM cards. 2003, deposits cross rupees 60,000 crore. 2004, core banking solutions launched. 2004, deposits cross rupees 70,000 crore. 2005, undertakes integrated development of 101 villages. 2005, 100 rural kiosks e-grama set up. 2006, deposits cross rupees 90,000 crore. 2007, deposits cross rupees 1 lakh crore. 2007, net profit crosses rupees 1000 crore. 2008, deposit cross rupees 1,50,000 crore. 2008, net profits crosses rupees 2000 crore. 2009, all our branches come under core banking solution. 2009, deposits cross rupees 1,90,000 crore. 2009, net profit crosses rupees 3000 crore. 2010, total business crosses rupees 4 lakh crore. 2010, domestic network 3207 branches and 820 ATMs. 2010, 146 villages made money lender free under debt swap scheme. 2011, total business crosses rupees 5 lakh crore. 2012, total business crosses rupees 5 lakh 69,000 crores. 2013, total business crosses rupees 6 lakh 74,808 crores. 2014, total business crosses rupees 8 lakh 53,640 crores. 2015, total business crosses rupees 9 lakh 43,000 crores. 2016, total business crosses rupees 8 lakh 94,667 crores. 2017, total business crosses rupees 9 lakh 33,820 crores. 2018, total business crosses rupees 8 lakh 96,950 crores. 2019, total business crosses rupees 9 lakh 3,723 crores. 2020, total business crosses rupees 9 lakh 72,026 crores. 2021, total business crosses rupees 10 lakh 37,549 crores. 2021, net profits crosses rupees 2,160 crores. 2022, total business crosses rupees 10 lakh 84,910 crores. 2022, net profits crosses rupees 3,405 crores. 2023, total business crosses rupees 11 lakh 85,438 crores. 2023, net profits crosses rupees 4,023 crores. 2024, total business crosses 13 lakh 23,515 crores. 2024, net profits crosses rupees 6,318 crores. 3. List of CMD and MD and CEO. 1969 to 1970, Mr. Tribhuvan Das Damodar Das Kansara. 1970 to 1974, Mr. J. N. Saxena. 1975 to 1977, Mr. C. P. Shah. 1977 to 1980, Mr. H. C. Sarkar. 1981 to 1984, Mr. N. Bhogul. 1984 to 1986, Mr. T. Tewari. 24th June 1987 to 29th August 1991, Dr. R. Srinivasan. 1992 to 1995, Mr. G. S. Dahatre. 1995 to 1997, Mr. G. Katuria. 1997 to 1998, Mr. M. G. Bhide. 1998 to 2000, Mr. S. Rajagopal. 2000 to 2003, Mr. K. V. Krishnamurthy. 2003 to 2005, Mr. M. Venugopalan. 2005 to 2007, Mr. M. Balachandran. 2007 to 2009, Mr. T. S. Narayan-Samy. 2009 to 2012, Mr. Alok Kumar Misra. 2012 to 2015, Mr. V. R. Iyer. 2015, Mr. B. P. Sharma, ED with additional charge as MD and CEO. 14 August 2015 to 2017, Mr. Melvin Rego, MD and CEO. 5th May 2017 to 30th June 2019, Mr. Dinabandhu Mohapatra. 2019, Mr. Nilam Damodaran, ED with additional charge as MD and CEO. 20th January 2020 to 19th January 2023, Mr. Atanu Kumar Das. 20th January 2023 to 28th April 2023, by all respective ED in absence of MD and CEO. 29 April 2023 to till date, Mr. Rajneesh Karnatak. History, our mission to provide superior, proactive banking service to niche markets globally while providing cost-effective, responsive service to others in our role as a development bank, and in doing so meet the requirements of our stakeholders. History, our vision to become the bank of choice for corporates, medium business, and upmarket retail customers, and developmental banking for small business, mass market, and rural markets. History, some information. Shareholding pattern as on 30th June 2024. Government of India 73.38%. Life Insurance Corporation 6.57%. Indian Public 6.60%. Others 13.45%. Financial results for the quarter ended 30th June 2024. Key highlights: Quarter 1 Financial Year 2025. Global business increased by 12.34% year-on-year basis. Global deposits increased by 9.74% year-on-year basis. Global advances increased by 15.82% year-on-year basis. Advances domestic increased by 17.29% year-on-year basis. RAM advances grew by 18.78% year-on-year, and it constitutes 56.01% of advances. Retail credit grew by 20.46% year-on-year basis. Agriculture credit grew by 22.18% year-on-year basis. MSME credit grew by 13.06% year-on-year basis. CASA deposits increased by 5.51% year-on-year, and CASA ratio at 42.68%. Net profit increased by 10% year-on-year to rupees 1,703 crores. Yield on advances global improved by 50 bps year-on-year. Yield on advances domestic improved by 52 bps year-on-year. Gross NPA ratio down by 205 bps year-on-year. Net NPA ratio down by 66 bps year-on-year. Provision coverage ratio PCR at 92.11%. CRAR stood at 16.18% with CET1 ratio at 13.62%. Profitability. Net profit for the quarter improved by 10% year-on-year and stood at rupees 1,703 crore for quarter 1 FY25 against rupees 1,551 crore in quarter 1 financial year 2024. Operating profit stood at rupees 3,677 crore for Q1 quarter 1 financial year 2025 against rupees 3,752 crore in Q1 financial year 2024. Net interest income (NII) increased by 6% year-on-year and stood at rupees 6,275 crore for Q1 financial year 2025 against rupees 5,915 crore for Q1 financial year 2024. Non-interest income stood at rupees 1,302 crore for Q1 financial year 2025 against rupees 1,462 crore in Q1 financial year 2024. Ratios: NIM global improved by 4 bps to 3.07% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 3.03% in Q1 financial year 2024. NIM domestic improved by 6 bps to 3.43% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 3.37% in Q1 financial year 2024. Return on assets (ROA) stood at 0.70% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 0.71% in Q1 financial year 2024. Return on equity (ROE) stood at 13.48% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 15.18% in Q1 financial year 2024. Cost to income ratio global stood at 51.47% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 49.14% in Q1 financial year 2024. Slippage ratio improved to 0.35% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 0.53% in Q1 financial year 2024. Credit cost stood at 0.85% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 0.64% in Q1 financial year 2024. Yield on advances global improved by 50 bps to 8.60% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 8.10% in Q1 financial year 2024. Cost of deposits global stood at 4.82% in Q1 financial year 2025 against 4.22% in Q1 financial year 2024. Business global business increased by 12.34% at year-on-year basis from rupees 12,14,808 crore in June 2023 to rupees 13,64,660 crore in June 2024. Global deposits increased by 9.74% year-on-year basis from rupees 6,96,544 crore in June 2023 to rupees 7,64,396 crore in June 2024. Global advances increased by 15.82% year-on-year basis from rupees 5,18,264 crore in June 2023 to rupees 6,264 crore in June 2024. Overseas deposits increased by 8.83% year-on-year to rupees 1,16,479 crore and overseas advances increased by 8.32% year-on-year to rupees 92,095 crore in June 2024. Domestic deposits increased by 9.91% year-on-year from rupees 5,89,517 crore in June 2023 to rupees 6,47,917 crore in June 2024. Domestic CASA went up by 5.51% year-on-year from rupees 2,60,615 crore in June 2023 to rupees 2,74,973 crore in June 2024 and CASA ratio stood at 42.68%. Domestic advances increased by 17.29% year-on-year from rupees 4,33,246 crore in June 2023 to rupees 5,08,169 crore in June 2024. RAM advances increased by 18.78% year-on-year to rupees 2,84,646 crore, constituting to 56.01% of advances in June 2024. Retail credit grew by 20.46% year-on-year basis to rupees 1,15,183 crore in June 2024. Agriculture credit grew by 22.18% year-on-year to rupees 8,977 crore in June 2024. MSME credit grew by 13.06% year-on-year to rupees 80,486 crore in June 2024. Asset quality. Gross NPA declined by 20% year-on-year from rupees 34,582 crore in June 2023 to rupees 27,716 crore in June 2024. Net NPA declined by 30% year-on-year from rupees 8,118 crore in June 2023 to rupees 5,702 crore in June 2024. Gross NPA ratio improved by 2,205 bps from 6.67% in June 2023 to 4.62% in June 2024. Net NPA ratio improved by 66 bps from 1.65% in June 2023 to 0.99% in June 2024. Provision coverage ratio (PCR) stood at 92.11% in June 2024. Capital adequacy. Bank's total capital adequacy ratio (CRAR) improved by 58 bps and stood at 16.18% as on 30th June 2024 against 15.60% as on 30th June 2023. CET1 ratio stood at 13.62% as on 30th June 2024. Private sector. Private sector advances increased by 15.55% year-on-year and achieved 45.61% of ANBC as on 2024. Agriculture advances achieved 21.29% of ANBC. Advances to small and marginal farmers achieved 11.73% of ANBC in June 2024 against regulatory norm of 10%. Advances to weaker sections achieved 15.70% of ANBC in June 2024 against regulatory norm of 12%. Financial inclusion. PMJDY accounts as on 30th June 2024 is 275 lakhs. PMJJBY enrollment as on 30th June 2024 is 106 lakhs. PMSBY enrollment as on 30th June 2024 is 253 lakhs. APY enrollment as on 30th June 2024 is 33.85 lakhs. Digital banking. Internet banking user as on 30th June 2024 is 90 lakhs. Mobile banking user as on 30th June 2024 is 49 lakhs. UPI users as on 30th June 2024 is 195 lakhs. Branch network and global presence. Domestic branches 5155, Metro 991, Urban 833, Semi-urban 1466, Rural 1863. Digital banking units 2, Overseas branches 22, Total number of branches 5177, Number of ATMs and CRA 8234, Number of BCs 51,272, Total number of customer touch points 34,683. Human resource and business ratios. Total number of employees 50,555. Female employees 14,740. Male employees 35,815. Business per employee rupees 2,688 lakhs. Profit per employee annualized rupees 13.62 lakhs. Financial results for the quarter ended 30th June 2024. Key highlights Quarter 1 FY 2025. Environmental, social and governance (ESG) practices. Environmental for a sustainable future. Dedicated ESG cell for formulating policies and strategies and overseeing progress in its implementation. Bank's renewable energy portfolio has zoomed to rupees 2,567 crores. Towards paperless banking, 4.68 lakh accounts opened through e-portal, rupees 8,847 crores invested in green bonds, solar capacity installed at head office. Head office State House 2 and 3 are IGBC certified green buildings. The head office buildings have installed lighting sensors at all common places, corridors, washrooms, LED light fittings in all branches for energy conservation. Social inclusion growth. Over 3.31 lakh street vendors benefited under PM SBI Nidhi scheme. 2.74 crore PMJDY accounts, making banking accessible to the most needy. 12.5 lakh micro and small enterprises supported under Mudra scheme, serving over 37 lakh farmers through various lending schemes. Investing back in communities we serve. 28% of CSR funding dedicated to health, family and social welfare. 18 lakh individuals are given counseling through our financial literacy and credit counseling centers. 35,000 youth below the poverty line were trained through our 42 rural self-employment training institutes, RCT. Social, women empowerment. 8,500 plus girl children supported under Star Angel scheme. 4 lakh women entrepreneurs assisted under various financial schemes. Diversity. Women constitutes 28.5% of our workforce. 2% of our manpower comprise of differently abled persons. 84 of our employees are from sports fraternity, two of whom are representing India in Paris 2024 Summer Olympics. Governance. Well-defined corporate governance policies. Whistleblower policy enhances transparency. A culture of integrity and honesty is nurtured through strong ethical codes. Prevention of sexual harassment of women at workplace policy. Well-defined business continuity plan for seamless transition in unexpected circumstances. Strong priority on cybersecurity and fraud risk management. Bank of India Museum, Banking in Early Days. Welcome note. Many banks in the world today are more than 100 years old, but not many have a history as distinctive as the Bank of India. Sound methods of business, rare ability to innovate and convert challenges into opportunities, constant care for the customer and the capacity, singleness of purpose and integrity of its boards, management and staff have made Bank of India the signature of Indian banking. We take pride as presenting the unique story of Bank of India since 1906 in this museum. With the aid of technology, scheme for customers, rare initiatives, some rare initiatives, financing trade and industry, view of mezzanine floor, journey begins. Welcome to BOI Museum, Bank of India, MG Road, Fort Mumbai. European manager, The first seal, early overseas offices, Flora Fountain, setting up the bank, advent of modern banking, Western style banking, banking in the early days, our quality policy. We at Bank of India are committed to become the bank of choice by providing superior, proactive, innovative, state-of-art banking services with an attitude of care and concern for the customers and patrons. Our code of conduct. Code of conduct attempts to set forth the guiding principles on which the bank shall operate and conduct its daily business with its multitudinous stakeholders, government and regulatory agencies, media, and anyone else with whom it is connected. It recognizes that the bank is a trustee and custodian of public money, and in order to fulfill its fiduciary obligations and responsibilities, it has to maintain and continue to enjoy the trust and confidence of public at large. The bank acknowledges the need to uphold the integrity of every transaction it enters into and believes that honesty and integrity in its internal conduct would be judged by its external behavior. The bank shall be committed in all its actions to the interest of the countries in which it operates. Thank you very much for your patience.